Good afternoon. This is already traditional. Every single Friday, no?
Yes.
You're gonna hug and you're gonna.
You take the picture. You have to come there.
This is not a picture. This is a video.
Okay.
It's gonna be posted, you know what, to the in the La Recontraoferta newspaper. My name is Ray. I'm the journalist. Yes, I remember you every single day for a long time. Yeah. For how long are you gonna be here?
Until war ends.
Until Afghanistan ends? So President Obama said it's gonna be maybe next year.
That's only Afghanistan.
He says so.
Only Afghanistan. What about all the rest?
Well,
And Romney, he doesn't want them to end either because
well, we gotta start at some point with in our country, no?
yeah, we need the money to be used.
Exactly, it's what he says. You know what he says. So, you know, we need to save that money and invest it right here. How about that? But anyway, I don't want to talk about politics. Yeah, no politics because I don't want to say, oh no, I'm Republican. But it's good to know, you know, a lot of people want to, you know, what's your name?
Karen,
Karen. And what's your name?
Marvy,
Marvy. And Ray. What's your name? Flipper. What's your name, sir?
Vic.
Vic. You know what, it's very nice because you everyone, you know what, act for peace in the world, no? Oh, and anyway, it's San Jose, downtown California, Dr. Martin Luther King Library. People who's asking for peace. La Recontraoferta newspaper was here. This is Ray J. Press.